Good afternoon, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Brock Townsend from Penn State, here with Garage Weather. I hope you're enjoying the day. I am. Taking a look at what's going on right now in the backyard. It's mostly sunny out. Current temperature about 69 degrees. Humidity about 49%. Pressure has risen to 1022 millibars. Visibility about 10 miles. Winds out of the west about 3 miles an hour right now. So, looking at today's normals, 79 degrees is the normal high. 56 is the normal low. Not too far off from that for the day. Record 94 and the record low is 40. Today's values, no high so far, but 48 degrees was the low this morning. Sunrise about 5:35 and sunset was about 8:39 p.m. tonight. And looking at our weather headlines today, we have pretty good amount of sunshine this afternoon, but some clouds will move in this evening. And we do have the heavy rain possible overnight into tomorrow morning. I'll time that out here shortly. So looking at what's going on nationally, we do have the cold front that's moving across the Midwest. That'll continue to move eastward, leading to some of the precipitation we will see tonight and tomorrow morning. Right now, though, we do have a nice ridge of high pressure over us, which is leading to the nice day that we're enjoying today. Now, looking at temperatures across the country, pretty good right now. Mainly in the upper 60s, low 70s across much of the country. We do have a few 80s down in Florida. The hot spots out here in Arizona and Southern California. Not much of a surprise there. Now, looking at here in PA, 70 right now in Sunbury, 66 in Williamsport, also in State College, 64 up in Bradford. Looking pretty good temperature-wise. Radar, pretty much dry across it, except for some few light showers out near Pittsburgh. For most likely, these showers aren't even reaching the ground from how light they are. But that's the only thing being picked up on the radar. Overall, looking really good out there. So looking at the clouds, you can see the low hanging fog that was there this morning in the river valleys, but now we have some high cirrus clouds that are moving in. That'll lead to just some clouds and sun throughout the day. Some thicker clouds, though, from the south and the west will continue to move in throughout the rest of the day and into the evening and overnight hours, leading to some of the rain we will see tonight and the cloud cover we have to deal with during the evening and overnight hours. Looking at now some wind gusts that we will have to deal with in the next few days. Out here towards the west, as the system that is coming in moves eastward, we will have to deal with the wind gusts behind the cold front again. So they come through in Indiana and Ohio, continue to move eastward, and then by Friday we do have to deal with some pretty high wind gusts here by about Friday morning. And then by the end of Friday morning, moving into Saturday, they do move out, and we do get to enjoy a much better day for Saturday. So, timing out the clouds tonight, we do have that mix of sun and clouds. You can see the waves and things, and that's all we'll deal with for this afternoon. But as we move the evening hours, some heavy cloud cover from the west moves in, but we will have to deal with that throughout the evening and into the overnight hours. From a pretty thick cloud ceiling being over top of us, that'll lead to the rain, and that we will see later on into the night hours. So, timing out. Oh, excuse me, sorry, my software has froze for a second. It'll reset. But timing out the rest of the clouds, we do have a chance for some slight clearing out in western PA, which is seen here. But for the most part, it'll be a pretty heavy, dense cloud cover. Now, for chance of precip, I do think for tonight, the highest chance of precip will be to our southeastern corner. And that's only because of the fact that most of the rain will move in before midnight here. But I don't think it'll get up to us in a heavy amount of rain until tomorrow. So looking at tomorrow, though, good chance of some heavy precip out in western PA, but that's due to some thunderstorms that will come in late on Thursday. But for the most part, the heavier just rain will be situated here in central PA and especially through eastern PA and into New Jersey and areas like that. And timing out that precipitation throughout this afternoon, there is a slight chance for some showers to come. I think it's very unlikely that we'll see any real rain or precip into the state until about 9, 10 o'clock tonight. But then moving in, some really heavy precip and rain will move in through near Chambersburg and Harrisburg by 1 a.m. Tomorrow morning, and then it'll continue to move northward throughout the morning. Some heavy precipitation is possible along the 11-15 corridor, so if you have to drive to Harrisburg for work or in the Harrisburg area, you will have to deal with the possibility of some heavy rain moving through in the morning commute hours. By 8 a.m., most of that rain, this heavier rain, starts to move up into the Poconos and Wilkes-Barre-Scranton areas. And then we do have another band of rain that'll come through, but it should break up into more of a lighter rain before getting to us. By about 4 p.m. in the afternoon, though, some heavier thunderstorms will move into western PA, but due to the low Cape values from the cloud cover net, they will fall apart more than likely when they get to central PA. The southern part, on the other hand, do have the chance for those thunderstorms to fuel because I do think some sunshine could get out down here in the southern PA, and we do have the chance for some light showers during the overnight hours and into Friday morning. So, looking at the temperatures by this afternoon, 72 in Sunbury, 70 in Williamsport, 68 in Wellsboro, 71 in State College. And then by the night, 62 out in Altoona, 67 in Uniontown, 68 in Pittsburgh, Tomorrow morning on your morning commute, 52.5 Sunbury, 53 in Harrisburg, 55 in Lancaster, 55 also in Chambersburg. It will be raining, a heavy cloud cover, so because of that, temperature really won't get anywhere by 2 p.m. in the afternoon. 61 in Sunbury, only 57 in State College, 56 in altitude. It's going to feel pretty chilly out there in some areas. So for the rest of the day, mostly sunny, high about 75, winds out of the west about 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tonight, rain moves in overnight. We do have some thunder possible, low of about 58, wind out of the west about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And then for your Thursday, some heavy rain possible in the morning, some late afternoon showers, and then there's a chance for thunderstorms, but I think it's unlikely here in our Susquehanna Valley area. But we do have the chance for up to 1 inch of rain to fall, at about 65, winds out of the west about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And then looking at the rest of your 7-day forecast, Friday, partly sunny. Can't rule out a slight chance of shower in the morning, but other than that, it will be windy. Looking at Saturday, though, I got to give it a Drew Brees fist bump. It's going to be a really nice day. And then looking at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, humidities do rise. We get into the low 80s, and we have that chance of thunderstorms again. I'm student meteorologist Brock Townsend here with Garage Weather. I hope you have a great afternoon. Thanks for watching.